The Clarke CBS205 195mm benchtop bandsaw is ideal for DIY and hobby use. It allows for smooth cutting of all types of wood. The tilting table and adjustable rip fence provide the facility to produce accurate straight, cross, rip, miter and bevel cuts. For added stability, the CBS205 can be bolted onto your worktop surface using the 4 holes in the base. With a throat depth of 195mm and a maximum cutting height of 80mm, it is a high-quality bandsaw which is ideal for DIY use. The table features an adjustable 90-degree stop to ensure repeatable accuracy, plus adjustment to allow it to tilt up to 45 degrees with a 45mm maximum cutting height at that angle. An indicator scale on the table tilting bracket shows the angle of tilt. Blade tension is adjusted with the tension knob at the top of the machine, and blade tracking is adjusted at the rear. Both the upper and lower blade guides have effective adjustable guides with roller bearings, and the upper guide is easily raised and lowered with a simple-to-operate adjusting knob. The 2 doors have a safety interlock which will prevent inadvertent operation of the bandsaw with the door open. The Clarke CBS205 is supplied with a 6 TPI blade, a push stick, 302 by 304mm work table, a quick-release rip fence, table inserts, 4mm and 3mm hex keys, a 10mm spanner and fixings. A 40mm dust extraction outlet is also provided at the rear of the machine for direct connection to a dust extractor. This excellent machine can perform rip cutting, cross-cutting, bevel or miter cutting. It runs the blade at 950 meters per minute and has a 250-watt, 230-volt motor. The Clarke CBS205 offers a range of adjustments to suit the task at hand. It will allow you to create quality work for many years to come.